CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.3 Explain the purpose and proper use of software. Productivity software. Productivity software refers to software applications that assist users in performing various work-related activities and tasks. It empowers users to create, manage, and manipulate digital content, saving time and effort while improving productivity. Some types of productivity software include word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, and visual diagramming software. Now let's examine each one of these software types, one at a time. First, we have word processing software. This type of application allows users to create, edit, format, and print text-based documents. Think of it as a digital typewriter, but with far more power. Features like spell check, formatting tools, collaboration options, and template support make it ideal for writing anything from basic memos to formal reports. Popular examples of word processing software include Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, and Google Docs. Next is spreadsheet software, which is used to organize, manipulate, and analyze numerical data in a tabular format. Spreadsheets are powerful tools for handling everything from budgeting to data analysis. They support formulas, graphs, sorting, filtering, and even automation features, making them indispensable in business, finance, and research. Popular examples of spreadsheet software include Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice Calc, and Google Sheets. Now let's take a look at presentation software. This type of application helps users create visual slideshows that combine text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to create visual slideshows. Whether you're pitching an idea in a meeting or giving a lesson in a classroom, presentation software helps you communicate ideas clearly and persuasively. Popular examples of presentation software include Microsoft PowerPoint, LibreOffice Impress, and Google Slides. Finally, we have visual diagramming software. These tools allow users to create visual representations of workflows, systems, relationships, and concepts. They use shapes, lines, and symbols to form flowcharts, network diagrams, mind maps, and other structured visuals. This type of software is especially useful for brainstorming, technical documentation, graphically depicting the steps of a process, or planning projects. Popular examples of visual diagramming software include Microsoft Visio, Lucid Chart, and Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.